Good morning, children. Hope you are doing well. In our previous class, we have done addition sums of money. Today, we will be doing subtraction sums and story sums. Let's start. Now, children, we are doing subtraction sums in our classwork. Write today's date here and draw the margin. Start from paise. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Here 5 minus 5 is 0 and 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, 50 rupees and 50 paise. Here from 0 5 will not go, so you need to borrow from the next number, making it 10, and this will become 4. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 4 minus 2 is 2. 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 2 is 7. 70 rupees and 25 paise. Okay, from 86 rupees and 50 paise, you have to subtract 29 rupees and 10 paise. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. From 6, 9 will not go. From the small number, big number won't go. So you need to borrow from the next number. You are taking 110 and it will become 16. And we will have 7 here. Now count after 9 till 16. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 7 is left here. And here 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, one more sum I will show you. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0, 0 is nothing. So the same number will come. Now here 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, do the remaining sums. Now here we are doing exercise 2. Addition and subtraction, please do in homework. I am showing you exercise 3, story sums. Amit has rupees 79. How much more money does he need to buy a toy car for rupees 100? So the cost of a toy car is rupees 100 and Amit has only 79 rupees. So how much more money does he need to buy a toy car for rupees 100? So first you write 100. In Paisa's place you can write 00. And now Amit has how many rupees? 79 rupees. So how do you write 79? 7 on 10's place, 9 on 1's place. Here you can put dot and write 00. Okay, put a subtraction sign. Now from 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Put a dot here. From 0, 9 will not go. So from 10, you are just borrowing and making it 10. And this will become 1 less, that is 9. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. And 9 minus 7 is, after 7, 8, 9. 2. So how much more money Amit needs? Rupees 21. So Amit needs rupees 21 more to buy the toy car. Okay, second story sum. Neetu bought an ice cream for rupees 38 while Shivani bought an ice cream for rupees 52. How much more did Shivani pay for the ice cream? You know that Shivani has paid more than Neetu. So we will write the first big number on the top, rupees 52.00, and Neetu bought an ice cream for rupees 38. So write here 38. put a subtraction sign. 0 minus 0, 0, 0, put here. Now from 2, from smaller number, we cannot subtract a big number. So you have to borrow from this place. 12 it will become, and this will become 1 less, that is 4. Now count after 8 till 12. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many left? 4 is left here. Now 4 minus 3 is 1. So Shivani paid how many rupees more? Rupees 14. Understood? Okay, turn the page now. The cost of a book is rupees 26 and the cost of a notebook is rupees 20 and 50 paise. How much should I pay for these? So this boy wants to buy a book and a notebook. So the cost of a book is rupees 26 and the cost of a notebook is rupees 20 and 50 paise. So first you write the numbers like this. Now how much should I pay for this? It means you have to add here. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5. Put a dot, it means it is paise. Now 6 plus 0 is 6, 2 plus 2 is 4. So how many rupees? 46 rupees and 50 paise. So I will have to pay rupees 46 and 50 paise. Got it? First you understand the question, then you have to decide what you have to do, whether it is a subtraction sum or addition sum. Now fourth one, Manish bought chocolates for rupees 48 and toffees for rupees 30 and 75 paise. How much money did he spend in all? So here also did he spend in all, means you have to do addition. So Manish bought chocolates for rupees 48 and toffees for rupees 30 and 75 paise. So how much money did he spend in all, means you have to do addition again. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 7 is 7. Put a dot here. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 3, after 4, 5, 6, 7. So total money spent by Manish is rupees 78 and 75 paise. Understood, children? Okay, this is a review exercise. Complete the table. Here you have to count the money and write it in the number form and write the number names, number in words. So 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 and 50 paise. He's already written here rupees 13 and 50 paise. So you have to write in words. How do you write? 13, THIRTEEN, 13 rupees 50 paise. FIFTY, 50 PAISE, 13 rupees and 50 paise. It is given in words here, you have to write in number. So what is it? 8 rupees 50 paise. So how do you write rupees 8? First you write rupees 8 dot 50. Now here in the last row you have to write number as well as words. In words you have to write. So count the money. 100 plus 10 is 110 plus 5 115. So rupees 150. Okay, write in words now. 115. rupees. 115 rupees. So do that homework, addition and subtraction sums. We will meet in our next class. Thank you.